for the perfect appetizer to have this fall season, well, we are making the most adorable pumpkin cheese ball. It is absolutely delicious and it's full of cheese and spices, and it's always a showstopper when I have people over. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So to make our cheese ball, here I have 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is 2 blocks of cream cheese. And to that we can add our other cheeses. I'm using 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and we will use more cheddar cheese later on in the recipe. But to mix in, we have 1 cup, and this is a pretty heaping cup, I will say, as well as half a cup of pepper jack cheese. This gives a little spiciness to our cheesy ball. Next, I have 2 tablespoons of chives that I minced because it's healthy. There's something green in it. As well as I have a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is optional, but if you want to add a little bit more heat, you can add some red hot chili flakes. I'm adding about 1/8 of a teaspoon in. And now we can add some freshly cracked black pepper, as well as some salt. I like it with a lot of pepper, my personal preference. And some salt. And now we can mix this all together, and then it's a great time to do a taste test. Take a cracker and taste it, see if it needs any more salt or if you want to add any more cheese to it. Now everything is mixed together. We can get in there with our hands, and we are going to shape our cheese into a ball. And then to have that orange pumpkin color, we're going to roll it in more grated cheddar cheese. Now that our cheese ball is orange and it's been rolled in the cheddar, we can take some saran wrap. Place it down and then cover our cheese in the saran wrap. Once you have wrapped your cheese ball in the saran wrap, cut 4 pieces of twine and wrap them around your cheese ball, creating an indent and tying them pretty tightly. Here we have our finished pumpkin cheese ball. I'm going to go pop it in my fridge for at least 4 hours to give it that time to set up and retain its pumpkin shape. Or you can leave this overnight in your fridge if you want to make this in advance. Okay, I'll see you in a few hours. It's a few hours later. I just got back from a run and I'm hungry, so let's try our cheese pumpkin ball. So to put our little pumpkin top on it, I am using a bell pepper. So what you do is just separate it, and then I did a little slice into my bell pepper, and I'm just going to remove the sides like so. It's super easy. There we go. And I'm actually making some chili tonight, and I need a bell pepper, so it's perfect. Now I am going to cut off my twine from my cheese ball, and we can see how she looks. Okay. You can unwrap it gently. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. And then I'm just going to put my bell pepper top as my stem of my pumpkin. Okay, that is perfection. That is so pretty. This is perfect when you're having parties and you want something simple, but that's also really cute and fits the season. So I'm just going to spread a few crackers all around it, and we can give it a taste. And if you want, you can also slice up your bell pepper and put it around so you have a veggie option to enjoy this with. This pumpkin cheese ball is absolutely delicious. It's so flavorful and so cheesy. This is going to be my new staple on my charcuterie boards. So please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more of my seasonal recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye for now.